Moonshot AI has released Kimi-K3. At 2.8 trillion parameters, it is the first open-weight artificial intelligence in the 3 trillion parameter class. By the end of this tutorial, you will have deployed this model on your own local vLLM server, giving you an autonomous agent capable of writing and executing complex software engineering tasks. The physical footprint of a model this size dictates strict hardware requirements. You will need a host machine with at least 128 gigabytes of system RAM, a 2 terabyte NVMe storage drive, and a multi-GPU node, where each accelerator has 80 gigabytes of VRAM. This architecture cannot run on consumer edge devices or standard laptops. Server-grade silicon is the strict cost of entry. If your infrastructure meets these baseline specs, you are ready to stand up your own private frontier-level AI. We begin on a host machine running Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. First, install CUDA 12.1. We need this specific toolkit present to manually compile the complex attention kernels the model relies on later in the sequence. Next, create an isolated Conda environment locked exactly to Python 3.10. Taking this step prevents the installation scripts from overriding your host system's default libraries and causing catastrophic dependency conflicts. With the environment active, install PyTorch 2.1.0 and the standard Hugging Face Transformers library. Now, we install vLLM, which will act as the core serving engine for our local deployment. Running the vLLM setup automatically pulls in the Flash KDA CUDA kernels. K3 uses a unique recurrent memory architecture called delta attention, and without these specific optimized mathematical kernels, the model would process tokens far too slowly for practical use. Staging this foundation precisely ensures that when we finally load the massive weights into memory, the server will remain stable instead of instantly crashing. Use the Hugging Face CLI command to begin pulling the model artifacts directly to your local cache directory. Even quantized down to MXFP4 precision, the required file package is 1.8 terabytes. Once the download completes, initiate the boot sequence by executing the vLLM OpenAI-compatible API server command. Look closely at the --tensor parallel size argument in your boot string. Because K3 is a mixture of experts model, its layers must be sharded across your hardware. This integer must match your exact physical GPU count perfectly, or the execution will fail immediately. You must also append the --trust remote code flag to authorize the execution of Moonshot AI's custom delta attention modeling scripts located in the downloaded repository. Press Enter. When your terminal outputs the message that Uvicorn is running on port 8000, your backend deployment is successfully online. Your server is live, but you cannot treat K3 like a standard static chatbot. You are operating a proactive autonomous agent. The first rule of operation is strict state management. During an active loop, K3 operates with a continuous internal chain of thought. The API response includes a JSON array called reasoning content. This entire block must be fed back into the model on every subsequent request. If stripped out, the model loses logical context, leading directly to severe output errors and hallucinations. The second rule requires setting explicit behavioral boundaries. You need to create an agents.mmd governance file at the root level of your target project repository. Within this file, you explicitly list forbidden paths to stop the agent from scanning or modifying sensitive local files, and you configure human-in-the-loop triggers to mandate your manual approval before it executes shell commands. A proactive coding agent of this scale will actively try to fix any broken configuration it finds on your machine. Without these hard-coded constraints, it represents a severe internal security risk to your own network. Send a test curl request to port 8000. In seconds, the server will return a complex, executable Python script alongside a dense reasoning token block, documenting exactly how it arrived at the solution. You are now running a top-tier algorithmic intelligence completely cut off from the external internet, isolated entirely on your own silicon. From here, you can integrate this local endpoint into broader orchestration tools to execute vision-in-the-loop web development or automate entire repository refactors. Staging this architecture bypasses the perpetual API costs of closed-source cloud providers. The most capable software engineering agent is now fully under your control.